Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here,
welcome.
So in today's video, I'll be setting up a multifunctional dish rack. You know, we Jamaicans, we call it dish drainer. So I have it right here. Yeah, I bought it yesterday and I said, you know, why not set it up with you guys, okay? So we're gonna do that together. So you just stick around to see that. All right. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on that post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. So let's get right into this video.
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the way I found and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I did what I got when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Kachuru. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani Kachuru. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My ayo, don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow.
Alright guys, I am finished. As you can see, I was having a little bit of, you know, difficulty, but it's not hard to set up. A simple something this. And this is a pro. Simple something this to set up. So yeah, and I love it. It's nice. So you know, I'm gonna put my plate them, I'm gonna look a spoon, and my fork, and my knife, and you know, yeah, it's nice. So I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on that post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell, okay? I'm staying consistent, so I'm gonna keep the videos coming, okay? So I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.